One of the most powerful and unique features that Helium 10 offers is keyword sales estimate. For years, Amazon sellers relied solely on search volume to determine keyword importance. Tools such as Helium 10 have always provided monthly search volume data, which helps estimate demand, but the assumption has always been that higher search volume means more sales. And while generally true, it's not always accurate. The real question isn't just how often is a keyword searched, it's actually how many sales does that keyword actually generate. Let me show you exactly why this matters. Let's take a look at keyword data for coffin shelves. In most cases, search volume and sales estimate follow the same exact trend. For example, a keyword with 170,000 searches per month might lead to 1,350 sales, and a keyword with 136,000 searches per month results in 1,200 sales. So far, so good. But here is where it gets interesting. Take two completely different keywords, floating shelves bathroom at 15,900 searches per month, and Gothic decor sitting at 15,900 searches per month. At first glance, these seem equally valuable. Both have the same amount of search volume. If you only had access to search volume, you would also assume that they hold the same potential for conversions. But when we look at keyword sales estimate, the picture changes dramatically, my friends. Floating shelves bathroom generated 233 sales in the last week, whereas Gothic decor only resulted in 95 sales. That's more than double the sales for the same exact search volume. So why does this happen? Keyword intent. A shopper searching for floating shelves bathroom knows exactly what they want. They're likely further down that purchase funnel and making them more likely to convert. On the other hand, someone searching Gothic decor might just be browsing. They may or may not be looking for a specific item, leading to fewer conversions. This is why keyword sales estimate are worth considering. If you only rely on search volume, you could be wasting ad spend on the keywords that don't actually even drive significant sales. So by using this tool, you can prioritize the most profitable keywords, ensuring that your listings and PPC strategy focus on high converting terms, not just high traffic ones. And here's the kicker. Helium 10 is the only tool, the only software solution that provides this level of insight. No other software gives you a direct estimate of how many sales a keyword is generating. So next time you debate which keyword to target, ask yourself, do I want more searches or do I want more sales? With Helium 10's keyword sales estimate, you don't have to guess. You'll know exactly where to focus.